I recently made about $800 online just by using Google and a copy-paste system. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this even if you are a beginner with no experience. All you need is your computer or your smartphone. So the first thing you're going to have to do is to go to this website called listverse.com. Just type their name in the search bar. Again, it's listverse.com. Now, basically on this website, you will find a lot of these top 10 blog articles like this one right here, for example, that says 10 unbelievable reasons for why people fake their own deaths. Or this other article, 10 child actors who now work normal jobs, and a lot of other interesting articles here. They have hundreds and thousands of articles, and this website is getting millions upon millions of views every single day, especially from the US. Now, this website is not creating these blog articles. People like me and you are creating these articles. And this is going to be a very simple technique that you can use to make easy money online. All you will need is Google and a copy-paste system that I'm about to show you right now. This method is absolutely free and it works worldwide. Now what you want to do is scroll to the top of the page and then go here where it says more and click on Write and Get Paid. It's going to take you to this page right here where it says Write and Get Paid. You can also read the rules and their information on here to get yourself more familiar with that platform, but here is the most important part. As you can see here, it says, here's the deal, we will pay you $100 for your efforts and you don't need to be an expert. And here it says it works like this. You write your list, 10 items per list minimum, you send it, we reply and say great, we will publish it and send you $100 to your PayPal account. They will pay you $100 for every single top 10 article that you submit to them. So if you just submit, let's say 5 articles, you will make $500. If you submit 10 articles, you will make about $1,000, and the list goes on and on. I'm going to show you step by step how to generate these articles right now by using artificial intelligence so that you get paid immediately and you don't have to do the work yourself. Like I said, it's going to be very simple. Just follow what I do, and you will make your first $100 with this method today. But make sure you also give the video a like and comment your country name below so that I can keep making more videos that work in your area. For the next step, now you want to go to ChatGPT. Just type in ChatGPT in the search bar and click on the first link, or just go to chat.openai.com. It's going to take you to this page, and just log in with your Google account or click sign up if you don't have one already. The registration process is very easy, and once you do that, it's going to take you here to the ChatGPT homepage. ChatGPT is basically an artificial intelligence software that will do or write anything you want. I'm pretty sure most of you guys already know ChatGPT. All you have to do is just go here where it says send message, and you can then say what you want ChatGPT to do and hit enter. Now, what I'm going to ask ChatGPT is, write me a good blog article about a top 10 list. Then I'll just hit enter, and now I'll just wait a few seconds until the whole article is completed, and I'll get back to you guys in a few moments. So here is our top 10 article done. It was also very fast, and this article is about travel. It seems really good. It was also generated for completely free. Now let's say you don't like this article. What you can simply do is just go back here and then just ask ChatGPT to write another different article for you. As you can see, I just asked ChatGPT here again, can you write another similar article about a different subject? And as you can see, it has generated another article for me. You can just keep doing that and pick whatever article you like. Now, let's say you like this one right here, for example. What you want to do is just copy the whole article from ChatGPT. And next, you want to go back to listverse.com and go to the submit section right here. And you can submit your article from there. Just click it and then follow the instructions on this page. Now, another tip I'll give you is make sure you submit articles in different topics, and also try to submit as many articles as you can to make the most amount of money, because they are not going to accept every article you submit, but the more you submit, the more chance you have to get some of them accepted and approved. Make sure you first hit that subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. So that's all it is for today's video. If you don't understand something from the video, that's fine. Just watch the video again to get a better understanding, and if you still have a question, just let me know in the comments. If you want to learn how to make $180 for every 2 ads, you watch comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.